Today, I'll solve the problem of installing software or extensions without an installer. I'll be unpacking the display driver. Open Silent Install Builder 6. We're reviewing the settings for the Archive Extraction plugin. As you can see, the extraction plugins are enabled on my end. We're creating a new package. I'll name it Display Driver. We'll add a script to the package, name it Display Driver, and include the folder with the archive. I only have the archive in my folder. For that reason, I'll specify the entire folder, but you can just select the file. I'll open the documentation for the zip plugin. The link to the documentation is in the comments below the video. We'll copy the sample script. All that's left is to adjust the script. I'll adapt it for my archive and my extraction directory. C display driver. Let's save the script. I have a separate directory for my installers. I'll build the package now. I'll specify the directory I already copied here. I want to build the installer in .exe format, but you can choose other installer formats if you prefer. Let's test the installer. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now I'll go to the directory where everything should have been extracted by the installer. As you can see, all the contents of my archive have been unpacked. In this video, I only demonstrated the extraction process. See you next time.